On this video, I will show you how I create with glitter my gel nails. So first we apply prep, primer and base coat. Fiber gel we will use like foundation, for it will be strong our nails. It's better first layer have to be only clear. It can be any clear gel or it can be fiber gel, what it's much stronger than normal builder gel. Here prepare our glitter what we're gonna use, and a little bit I will take from the packet and put on the side for it be already ready. Even if you glitter not in the plastic bag and in some small containers, I am still recommend you have to prepare little bit on the side, because if you are put glitter brush with the gel, you can mess up and always your glitter gonna be sticky. We remove our form, and first what we do, we make our nail sticky. So I am apply one more layer with the gel. In my case I use fiber gel, and on the sticky before I cure it on the lamp, I will apply my hearts. You can do 2 layers or you can do 1 layer. I recommend to do 2 layers on the time, because if you put too much glitter it might be bubbles between. So if you don't have a big experience with the nails like you in the course at beginners, I recommend to do it few times. We seal one more time with our builder gel, clear builder gel, but please be careful, don't put too much layer. It has to be still flat, because remember we will do ombre, so we will use next step something pink on top. For pink effect we will use on the top makeup gel. So it's kind of polygel product and it's need liquid as well when you work with the brush. I dip my wooden brush on glaze liquid. It's special liquid for polygel and makeup gel. I am apply small amount of product and work very gentle near to cuticles and sweep little bit down. Remember, we want ombre effect, so try to work gentle, try not put too much product. If you see too much product, remove a little bit and put back. I finish it with the brush to make more flat and more accurate, and I cure it on the machine UV or LED 1.5 to 2 minutes. When gel is dry, then I seal it all nail, and specifically where it's come slowly from the pink to clear, where is glitter, I am put more amount clear gel. So I seal it everything with clear gel. After when we finish seal it, we cure it for 1.5 minutes and file it. Our nail is ready, we are buffed and remove dust. After we apply top coat, it can be matte or shiny. I prefer for this design shiny top coat. I hope you enjoyed this technique and see you next lessons.